My brother make me laugh, though, because my brother, I call him King Negative. No matter how great something is, my brother finds a negative in it. I've never seen anything like it. Like, I just bought land, and I'm like, yo, man, instead of going out looking for a house, I bought land, I'm just gonna build a house. He was like, good luck, you got no experience. My brother, hey, Ken, yo, #1 in the box office. Yeah, domestic, you didn't get released. Ludacris almost drowned. I'm gonna say this on television. I saved his life, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I saved his life, honestly. I don't know if they give out medals. Off the boat, swim out to where we snorkel at. I was like, it's kind of far. You might want to get the raft to take you out there. He's like, no. I said, well, I'm gonna get on the jet ski, and I'm gonna take the jet ski over. And a piece of me said, let him drown, because he was getting... Just a piece of me, because he was getting a lot more attention than me out there. Nobody recognized me. Yeah, and I didn't like that. It was like he gets on, and I'm like, dude, I just saved your life. Like, literally, you owe me $10,000. And he was like, what? Where'd that number come from? And I was like, I don't know what they give people for saving lives, so I made it up.
Yeah, and I think that's a good number you came up with, $10,000.
$10,000,
That's nothing to him.
No, it's not.
He's a very successful man.
He's very successful. He made me pay for my own trip, too, which was selfish.
Yeah.
Lady Gaga, she got an award, and what people don't know, after she got the award, she was walking off, she fell. I had to catch her, and while I caught her, I said, I just want to
fall.
You know, I didn't let her go down that far because I'm a hero. The thing is, like, she was on her way down. It could have been brutal. You know, we're talking blood, broken bones.
Wow.
But and it was a moment. Like, it was like a thing, and I was like, I'm engaged. Yeah. True story. That happened.
Yeah. Speaking of that, you were engaged.
That's right, ladies. I'm putting the chocolate in the fridge. I just want a piece of chicken, and I just want to walk down the aisle. That's it. I'm not playing. That's literally like, she's like, well, what about the food? Just give me a piece of chicken. I don't want nothing else. You don't know it, but you're actually giving the ceremony. Nobody talked to you about this yet?
Not yet.
It's a double bite. You and I, you hop off first, and you're like, and here come the bride, but you do it with your face. Here come the bride. People were talking to me that I didn't want to talk to because they weren't the president. I was like, well, I get that. I get that everybody has to speak, but where's B Boogie? That's what I wanted to call him.
No, you can't call him B Boogie.
But I had it in my mind. I'm in the front. President comes down. He gets to the podium. He says, hello, everybody. Happy holidays. Oh, Kev, glad you made it. Of the United States.
Not me now.
No, it does.
No.
Jimmy.
Kev.
He called me Kev, which means we're best friends. He called me Kev. He didn't call me Kevin Hart. No. He nicknamed me, which means me and the president are like this. We're best friends. The president, that's my buddy. I call him on the cell phone right now.
You do not call my cell phone right now. No way.
I'm locked in his phone under Kev. Kev. He said, oh.
So it's called the Jay-Z pineapple juice story.
Oh, man.
Do you know that?
Yeah, all right. Quest knows this story. I told Quest this story.
All right, I want to hear that.
Let me go say hi.
Yeah.
So I go over here to this section, see Jay. What's up, man? Kev, what's going on? Oh, good to see you. There's a little chat. I said, dude, I just want to come say what's up. I ain't going to crowd your area. I'm going to go back. I
hang with him normally?
Look, Jimmy, I'm a big deal, okay? So I'm like, you know, I go, so pouring out. Jay-Z was sitting right here. It was just pouring on his lap. So neither one of us thought to pick it up. He goes, are you kidding me, Kev? Are you kidding me? And I'm like, what you want me to do, man? Yeah. Like, it's out. So Jay never broke his stare. He looks at me. You got it on my wife, Kev?
You like the Kool-Aid, man.
Look, dude, let me fix this. I'm a fixer, okay? So I get it up. He's like, yo, my pants are sticking to my leg, man. This ain't cool. I go until I get back to my section, okay? So as I'm walking away, all I hear is, $20, Kev! Hey! You trying to eat breakfast? Why? Brother's downstairs. I hope it don't get burnt. What? Yeah. Okay, don't be a bitch. What does that mean? You want to dive into that a little bit, Dad? You being a bitch right now by asking me to dive in. So what kind of candy is it? He told me it was a peppermint, but it didn't have any lines on it. His jeans rubbed all the dye off the peppermint.
my dad.
But you can't complain.
Also at About Last Night, which comes out Valentine's Day. I feel like that's gonna be special. My last name is Hart. Holiday has to do with hearts. It's only marrying each other. Makes a lot of sense to me. You know what, Ellen? I ain't been to sleep in 2 years. I've just been up. I've been working, but I'm in such a good place, man. I'm happy. And my fans are saying, I want to take that monkey on the plane with me, guys. Kev, you can't. Don't tell me I can't. I got a lot of money. I want the monkey. And if you don't say anything, I'll leave you here and let the monkey take your seat. That's what you gotta do.
Seconds. I'll start so you can see what we're talking about.
I don't need to see it. I'll be great.
Okay, Ellen, name 3 places to go on a date.
Do it. Eat. Swim. Yeah. 2.4. Much faster than you. I was way faster than you.
See, you do it at the end.
I get it.
Kevin, besides the heart, name 3 other organs.
And when I did it, I stepped back as if it was great. I was like, that's it.
Yeah.
I feel like the 3 of us should collab, and I got the perfect role because
You didn't have time to say collaborate. You
collab.
No time for that.
I'm too cool.
You didn't have time for socks.
You wear your jeans. They're like so fitted. They're so small. Like whenever you walk, it's like petite, like put together, but it's like something's mysterious about the way I get distracted is because you walk by, and I'm like, something just went bad. And it's not that it went bad. You just threw me off because you walk like this.
We're not a male prostitute.
I'm not saying you are, but in the movie you could be. In the movie.
No! I have a gun, equal status. That's...
And you're mad because we didn't pay. Yeah. Yeah.
That's the plot line?
Wow.
And now I'm mad. And then you pull out your gun.
I get guns at the end?
But they're not loaded because you've never had to use them because you're a good streetwalker. I mean, look, at the end of the day, it's about taking the first step in the direction that you want to go in. And if you're serious about this business, you got to do this type of stuff.
Right.
Just for a couple. Look, I'm not saying that I'm scared because I'm not, but this ain't safe. We've been on the corner for some time right now, and it looks like we selling ass.
I mean, you know,
that's the look. Anthony!
Yep, there he is.
Anthony!
Hey, what's with the mustache, homie?
You mind if we take a ride right now? I got Kevin Hart, I got Ice Cube, Conan O'Brien here. We take a little ride.
You need Chico sticks?
What's a Chico?
Just ask for it, Conan. Why you got the
It's so wide.
Just go get it, Conan. Hey, how do you feel about Conan for real?
Conan is cool, man.
He's cool. He's a cool,
He cool
he's a cool
dude,
white boy.
yeah, no.
His jeans be tight though.
His jeans do be
His
tight.
jeans is tight.
I would have to say the hardest thing in the world might be to get Cube to break a smile. That guy is... This guy, look at this face. He doesn't...
It's him all the time.
We were in at you. That's him laughing at a joke right there.
Where everybody on the set would be dying. Oh my God, Kevin, how'd you do it? And I would look at Cube, and he would just be staring. And I'm like, hey man, you need to laugh. Everybody told me, I said, hey man, I just want to know for me, you know, why don't you laugh? Why don't you break when everybody else breaks? He's like, because I don't want to waste tape. What?
My nightmare would be doing comedy and looking front row.
Yeah.
Cube staring at me with that face. Yeah.